Okay, love bugs, welcome back to the channel. If you're tuning in for the first time, I'm Ashley and today we're going blonde. I'm gonna start a quick close-up of what this wig looks like straight out of the packaging before I even put it on. And this one does come courtesy of Naijafashion. I believe that's how you pronounce it. They did give me a ton of goodies and I will share that with you in just a moment. Even under there are so many fun goodies in there, so I'm excited about that. But I do notice that sometimes when I show that in the beginning, I get a little bit distracted and you guys just want to get straight to the video. I'm rocking a red lip, which I'm about to rub off because it's a lot going on. But I do want to step outside of my comfort zone with my fashions and my makeup and all of that coming soon. Yeah, so this one here, I'm going to show you how I'm going to make this look good, blonde for brown girls. The scary thing about this one obviously is that there is no dark root. I feel like with the dark root, anything is possible. But without a dark root, this is definitely giving scary spice. I'm going to keep it very simple with this one. I'm not quite sure if we're going to do a baby hair or not, just because, you know, it is a lot. It's a lot going on. One thing I'm going to do to help it out is just add a little bit of powder underneath. I'm going to use a powder brush and I'm kind of nervous about what color to use. Very easy to take a powder that is good for your complexion and put it into the lace of blonde and it come out super orange. So I'm going to go with Old Faithful here. I'm just going to take a powder brush and buff this underneath in the inside of the lace, if that makes sense.
You say you're special, one of a kind, one of the better boys. I'm on your level, that's what you say, but all I hear is noise. I don't have time for trying my luck. I've been too hurt before. You're not that special, just give it up. I think I've had enough. I'm too busy loving my friends. I ain't got no love to spare for you. I'ma be that girl to the end. It don't really matter what you do.
Don't slip on the trip. Don't slip on the trail. Tempo, tempo. Can you keep up with my tempo? Tempo. Yeah, yeah.
Money line, I'ma run it every time. Give me mine, going up, need no decline. Money line, I'ma run it every time. Give me mine, going up, need no decline.
I don't wanna slow down, I don't wanna slow down, I don't wanna slow down till I burn out. I just wanna live fast, I don't wanna look back and say I could've done more than I did not. Sometimes it can be hard, yeah, it can be hard, yeah, it can be hard when you grow up. People fill you with doubt, you start thinking about what you're gonna do now. But we only got one chance and got one life to live.
Babe, yeah, down. I can't relate. Zone off in the cloud. I got that cake, down.
Okay, love bugs, the wig is installed and you guys can see this is blonde, but I personally don't think it looks that bad. Of course, we're not done. We literally only installed the wig. So let's go ahead and decide how we're gonna part it. Do we want baby hair and all of that? I'm thinking center part with minimal baby hair. With blonde hair on black girls, I always love a little bit of a sideburn action, especially because if your, you know, natural hair is black or, you know, brown or whatever color, if you cut this out and you can see those black sideburns, it's a no. So I like to play it up and just, you know, make it fun around the hairline, just to make sure that we are not exposing any black hair, because of course no one actually thinks this is my real hair. I'm not trying to pass it off as my real hair. I just want to look like I'm having fun with a blonde wig and I executed it well. You know what I mean? Some people assume that when you wear wigs, you're trying to make it seem like it's your hair. But I think at this point, you know, 2021, we are no longer doing that. We are just having fun with wigs. Simple as that. So I'm going to start off with the 2 swoops that go right here and work my way down here. And I think I'm going to leave the center as is. We're going to also pull out a center part, and then we're going to use our wax and our hot comb to make that gel together really nicely. So you can go ahead and follow along. And then from there we're going to decide what we want to do with the ends. Let's just see what we come up with.
Hella shameless, necklace on me decorated. All this got me feeling jaded. Hold up, I'll be waiting. Bad thing on my radar. Told me that I'm in a playlist. Flower bomb, she a lotus. I be thinking that I'm famous. I remember when I prayed for this. No sleep, cause I'm anxious. All this for entertainment. Crazy thinking that it's day one. All this spinach for the taking. Yeah, hold it down for the nameless. Yeah, oh yeah. I've been on a grind, yeah. Like I'm really on the rails. Like my life is on the line, yeah. I've been getting mines in. I've been on the you, nothing left to lose. Get into the bag, yeah. I've been on the you, I'm seeing how you move. Imagine all the things we get into. I need you to put me all the way. I need it all, baby. Let me see you drop it. Make sure it's all the way down. I'ma keep it solid. If you hold me all the way down, if you hold me all the way.
Okay, baby hair is done. I decided not to take the red lipstick off, so I just left it on, and it's starting to not look as creepy the more and more I get the hair done. But you guys already know, when you're working with blonde lace wigs, just generally speaking, it's harder to make the lace like melt. Like, no matter how bonded down it is, a lot of times it just does not look like it's growing out of your scalp. So this is a time when this elastic band is an essential thing. That is the goal. Now let's go ahead and do our dynamic duo. Wax stick to help me stamp out this parting and lay the hair in this parting. If you part it like this and leave it like this, it looks dumb wiggy. So let's just go ahead and make it look as flat and smooth in the crown area, and like do literally like 100 heat passes with the electric hot comb until it is as flat as we can get it.
I don't know if I'm okay. I don't see the light of day. Looking up to higher ground, thinking that'll be your sweet escape. These days gotta schedule the romance. They say that love is a slow dance. A short bike ride to the crib using no hands. Oh shit, it feel like I'm floating, but I'm falling with both eyes closed when I let the world spin. Testing the water, she got my nerves tense. Back when.
Okay, so I don't know if you guys can tell the difference, but this is what you want. You can probably get it even flatter if you continue to just work at it, whereas this is puffy, and it's almost like not a big difference when you see it side by side, but trust me, it is a huge difference.
I ain't even have a purpose. I was so eager to learn some things. Anxiety bring out the worst in me. Society.
Now it's time to style her up. I did pick up a bunch of these. I am testing them out and thinking about adding them to my store. Let me know if you guys would love to purchase. Of course, I'm not gonna make them too pricey, but I really like this. It's a crimper, and as you guys can see, this hair came with like a nice natural wavy sort of texture. So I'm gonna play that up and bump it all the way up with this. I'm letting it heat up, but again, comment below and let me know if I should start adding things to my store. Don't forget to add a heat protectant to your hair, and yeah, let's just see how it's gonna come out. Okay, so we are halfway done with the style. As mentioned, I did go for a little crimp style. Now I really don't want to hairspray it because I want them to kind of fall and soften up. But you know, because I don't know the health of this hair, I find that blonde hair tends to be a little bit more likely for the hair to drop. So I'm gonna let these set. I'm not gonna disturb them. Like I said, I just did some hairspray. I'm gonna go ahead and do this side off of camera.
Jag minns ju den tid du gav mig life-bilder, yo. Nu vill jag kunna ge tillbaka allt jag inte kunna ge förut. Det finns ingen annan där som kan stå här by my side, oh why. Sättet du rör på det får mig att dö för dig, baby. För de här yardis, de vill ju bara dra ner oss. Men du är fett och vanlig. På det jag lägger av min tid, jag vill ha dig. Du får mig känna safety. Jag kan nog leda dig, baby. Och jag kommer aldrig ändra mig. Aldrig. Kommer aldrig känna så här för någon annan än dig. Aldrig. Kommer aldrig känna så här för någon annan än dig.
Dominic, close the door.
Nope.
Never mind, I'm gonna do the pictures first because she gotta go with her daddy in a minute. Okay, so I have no idea what possessed me to put on that red lipstick and keep it on this whole video. I apologize because now that I took the lipstick off, I'm feeling myself so much more. I'm just not a colored lipstick person. I try to switch it up and have fun with my looks, but this is me, dry lips and all. I'm a stick beside it. Anyways, I am finished with the look. I already filmed this outro about an hour ago, but baby girl kept coming in and out, so I kind of just didn't even finishing the intro or the outro. So I'm just gonna come back and do it all over. Now the crimps probably were a lot more set and like perfect when I first, I'm sorry. Nonetheless, I do love the way it came out. Again, I didn't put a comb through it, but I kind of just pulled the pieces apart and then went and ate some sushi. So again, this is kind of the look I wanted, just to make them like drop and just be a lot more soft and wavy. And this will last over the next couple of days. I can just throw it back into a bonnet and we will be good to go. Now this one did come from Naijafashion. I hope I'm pronouncing their name properly, but it was like a nice little gift, and it definitely was, because it came with tons of goodies. So this is like a little scarf, and this is actually perfect like when it's time to run errands and I'm trying to lay my edges, or even like if I keep this wig on for the next 2 days, at some point it's going to start lifting and I still, you know, have things to do, may not have time to actually bond the wig down. I like having options for little scarves that I can just put around the front so that I'm still presentable, but it looks like I'm just wearing a scarf opposed to like a bonnet or a huge headscarf. So this will come in handy for me, but they did also give me a large scarf as well. So I'm spoiled, I got both. Not sure if this is supposed to be a poster or a scarf, but it does have their logo and their QR code on it. They gave me edge tamer, which is exactly what I use to lay all this down with electric hot comb. They gave me some wig caps. This is a cute little pin, super cute and fun. Pair of lashes. This really nice headband. I feel like a lot of companies will send you the rhinestone headband, but what I like about this one is that it's completely different than the others. This one gives more rich and gaudy, so I like that, and that definitely will go in my headband collection. This one came from another hair company, so you guys can see. Really nice, I like it, but next to this one gives like rhinestones. This one gives like diamond clusters, so love that lots. And last but certainly not least, they gave me this 4-pack of makeup sponges, and they come in this cute little container. It almost reminds you of like a lunch pail or something. Super cute. How do you open it? When you open it up, you have 4 purple and lavender sponges. I'm actually gonna give these a go because I'm actually in need of some sponges. Real cute. Oh, and I missed one. So this is like this. It's a clip. that opens and closes. Would be real cute. But it's the same rhinestone like this. These are very, very nice. My mom used to love the smaller rhinestones like this that really shine and give you the bling vibe. So I'm gonna hold on to these. These ain't going into the wig sale giveaway stuff. So go ahead and comment below, thumbs up, and let me know what you guys think of this one. I'm Ashley Bedeck if you are tuning in for the first time. You can check the description box for links and lists of everything I used to complete this look, especially a link and details to the wig that I am rocking today. Thank you guys so much for watching, and as always, I'll see you in the next one. Smooches!
Baby girl, you're so fine. I can't get you off my mind, ooh girl.